On these parts I've just got a vise, a few clamps, a piece of an old girder which works as an anvil quite nicely, a round chunk of aluminum which I use to form the curves, chisels, clamps, hammers, you know, stuff most people have running around, block of wood, always useful. And I'm cutting the parts out of this sheet of I think it's 18 gauge sheet, just using some basic tools here, Lidl, Aldi, etc. I have got one of these punches for putting the recesses in, and also I don't use it for that much, but I use it for punching out holes for spot welds, plug welds. If you want to see more, there's a subframe here that's all been cleaned, prepped and painted up, ready to go back in. And we've got a load of poly bushes and stuff to go on, because the original one's really hard to come by. Had to reinforce the subframe mounts because the rubber in there was starting to go. It's done with, I think it's 90 grade poly bush liquid that you can mix up, and I've just poured it in around the existing bushes to reinforce them and also still give it a rubber mount. Lots of bits need rust cleaning off them. Well, that's it really. I mean, if you're interested in seeing more of this, let me know in the comments and I'll try and make a series of how to make these repair panels and how we go. Thanks for watching.